Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet coin purse. I made it with medium worsted yarn and F hook. The pattern is down below. If this is your first time doing beginner stitches, I have a playlist for that. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link down below for that in the description. You can add a little button as well and then fold it over and use the button to close it. This is really nice for adding your money, your AirPods, and you can make this bigger, just add more rounds. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you can create a chain 4, or you can do this in the magic ring. Slip knot onto your hook, yarn over and pull through. Slip stitch in the first chain, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then pull through, then chain 3, then create 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, double crochet again, chain 2, work 3 double crochet in the ring, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the ring, and then chain 2, and then in the chain 3 you're going to slip stitch. And then it's going to look like this. And then you're going to slip stitch into the chain space. So slip stitch and go into the next stitch and slip stitch. And then go into the chain space and slip stitch. Then chain 3. Then work a double crochet. And then a chain 2. And then 2 double crochet in the chain space, and then you have 3 double crochet in each one. You'll work a double crochet, and then in the chain space you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. This is all repeat. Then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain space. Then double crochet across, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, then double crochet across until you get to the chain 3. You're at the end here, you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3, then slip stitch into the next stitch, then slip stitch into the chain space, then chain 3, then work a double crochet, then chain 2, and then work 2 double crochet, and then double crochet across until you get to the chain space. So each double crochet gets a double crochet. Then work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. This is all repeat. Then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet in each stitch across. Then work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, work it down, work this corner, and work it all the way back to the beginning. And then just slip stitch into the chain 3 again. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and slip stitch into the chain space. Now this is just all repeat. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet, and then double crochet across to the chain space. And now work your 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, and then you're just going to repeat double crochet across. Make sure you have the same amount of stitches across. Once you get to the chain space, work your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then repeat it all the way until you get to the chain 3. Now when you're done, you're going to fasten off and pull through. So I only did 4 rounds after this beginning round. You can do more rounds if you like to make this bigger. Now this is front facing. I'm going to take the ends together and sew them together. After I'm done, I'll turn it right side out. So you can start here, or you can start at the bottom and work your way up. And then you'll weave in your ends. Just take your ends together, take your yarn, and just sew it together. And just meet these ends together. And then take it all the way down until you get to the end. And then you're going to take this side and do the same exact thing, where you take your yarn and your yarn needle and meet your ends together and then sew it together. And this will create the pouch. and then sew it all the way until you get to the end. Now you have all of these loose ends. You're going to take your yarn needle and weave them in. Two to three times to secure them. This is in the inside. You'll take this and turn it right side out. That's how you do it for all of these ends to secure them. Now you're going to turn it right side out so it hides all of your ends. So if you want to, you can sew in a button or like a pearl or something right here, and then you can secure it. And you can add fun things to this. This is about 2.5 inches across. And add fun things. You can add your AirPods in there. You can add some money, use it as a coin purse. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for a crochet coin purse. The pattern is down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.